We're at the Capital Innovation Boston Venture and Angel Forums in Boston at the Boston Millennium Hotel. And we have the pleasure to be with Mick Williams, the president and founder of Boston Harbor Angel, one of the greatest angel groups in the Boston area.
Well said.
Well said? Perfect, great. So Mick, maybe just can talk, to start off the chat, we can talk a bit more about the history of Boston Harbor Angel and how it came to be.
Well, I was making bad investments and I needed some help. So I brought a few friends together and we formed Boston Harbor Angels, and we invest in early stage companies, and we have been looking and investing in companies in Canada, as there's some very attractive funding opportunities there as far as non-dilutive funding,
right,
or very low interest funding. And so those things are very compelling to angels, as we like to see our dollars leveraged as much as possible, and that allows us to do that.
Right. So you're recently closing a deal with a Canadian company based out of Ottawa. Is there any challenges to doing an investment across borders?
They have trouble taking our money. Certified checks don't work. I don't understand. The attorneys have a lot of things that they have to do in order to make sure the money that's coming in is, I'm sure, legitimate. So again, it does take some time for the documentation to occur, but the American dollars are still acceptable up there, I think, and so therefore there's really no hurdle from our standpoint.
Right.
It's just a matter of getting the proper documentation. So.
And do you think that this type of event would help foster co-investment opportunities between Ontario, Quebec, and New England?
It certainly can't hurt when you buy nice dinners at the Grill 23. Nobody turns down a dinner there.
Right.
No, it's fun to get together with people. We were up in Quebec. We were in Ottawa and in Toronto about a month ago,
yep,
doing due diligence on Eastside, and we took the tour and met a number of angel groups all over the place up there, and had a great time. And of course, they're very interested in what we think of deals, and we're interested in what, yep, they think of deals.
Great. And I think it might be really interesting to talk a bit about your background, because you were telling me you're an entrepreneur yourself. You founded Coldwell Bankers here on the East Coast of the United States.
Well, and, that's not exactly correct, okay, but no, I opened up Coldwell Bankers commercial, yeah, group for New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut.
Right.
We were a West Coast company moving east, mm-hmm, and so yes, it was like an entrepreneur.
So it takes a lot of entrepreneurial spirit to do so,
spirit,
right?
To do that, and a little bit of stupidity. But no, I've formed real estate companies, and which we purchase real estate as our asset, and numerous partnerships in that. I've been involved in leverage buyouts of companies and invested in many, many foolish deals, and trying to do better, and have done better as a result of Boston Harbor Angels. We've had some very, very fine exits, particularly with Smart Cells and with the IPO with Carbonite just recently. So. And
what does it take to find that one deal? That 10x deal.
I'm not going to tell you because it's a secret.
It's a secret.
I know it.
The secret is co-invest with Boston Harbor Angel, yeah, right?
Well, we're in 65 deals, so right, they've not all been successful. No. But it really is a portfolio strategy. You really have to place a lot of bets on the table. If you try to pick one winner, chances are you're going to have a bad time. The business is really a portfolio strategy, as is a stock market and any other type of investment. Good things happen to bad companies, and, yeah, bad things happen to good companies.
Right.
And we like to have good things happen to good companies, and that happens too. And so, but again, there's people working in stealth on everything you can think of, yep, and they show up and you go, whoops, we missed the boat. So that can happen. Through no fault of our own. So
one last word of wisdom from Mick Williams?
Word of wisdom. Let's see, that would be that buy high, sell low. No, I guess it's the other way. Buy low, sell high. There you go. All right.
All right, sounds good. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you. Very nice to see you, Alex.
Thanks.